Philips Hue outdoor dusk to dawn light bulb works with Alexa for voice control. Hub required. Hue Hub Alexa device sold separately. Does not include power supply. Purchase the Lily base kit to get started. For the full Hue experience and to take advantage of voice activation, purchase the Philips Hue Hub, model 458471. Search Philips Hue Hub or B016H0QZ7i to find this product on Amazon. Simply plug in and connect your outdoor lighting to your existing Hue Hub to enjoy the 16 million colors available to enhance the beauty of your yard or create any ambiance you like. Mains power, range 110 volts to 127 volts, 60 Hz. Total lumen output fixture 600 lumens. Do it yourself. The products are based on low voltage, safe to use and easy to install. To install, simply place the product in the desired location, connect it with the PSU, plug and pair it to your Hue Hub. For best connectivity, your first Philips Hue outdoor light should be located within 30 feet from the hub or the closest Hue light in your house. You can extend the distance up to 60 feet. From one Hue outdoor light to the next one. Metal and certain other materials can block the signal. Control your Philips Hue lights with your voice using Alexa, Apple HomeKit, or Google Assistant. Pair it for home automation with your existing Nest or Samsung SmartThings system. Resistant, high-quality weatherproof material. Lifetime up to 25,000 hours and 2-year warranty. Top reviews from the United States. Great for landscaping. Great light source for landscaping, security and more. The light can be dimmed and colored an array of colors. It looks good during the day and the night. I will definitely get more to spotlight my trees. We currently have the Hue Spotlight highlighted on the first column. The Spotlight XL is highlighted on the window. I love that they can be set to come on at sunset and turn off at sunrise or upon motion with our security cameras. The install took about 10 minutes. Great buy and worth the money.